It's a cold, frosty morning, but the sun is shining, so you won't go back the other way though, because I don't think we can tilt the solar panel enough. Oh, just. No, not quite. It needs to be down a little bit more. The other way, no problem. The sunlight indoors isn't quite so good. Not quite as bright. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.